Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ExitLog for better ping in 2026 and how to optimize your connection for smoother online gaming. If you want to try ExitLog with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So first, let's get started. Download and install ExitLog on your PC. Once installed, log into your account and open the application. Next, click the connection tab. It's right here and select the game you want to optimize ExitLog. So it supports a wide range of online games including FPS, MMORPG, MOBA, and Battle Royale titles. So for this example, I have to pick Fortnite. Click on it. And after selecting your game, allow ExitLog to analyze the available routes. This process helps find the fastest and most stable connection between your PC and the game server. So, for most players, I recommend keeping automatic route selection enabled, where you can see the manual or server selection and automatic server. Then you have to go back. ExitLog will automatically choose the best route based on your location, network, and conditions. So if you want to customize the settings, enable multi-path routing, set the TCP routes to 0 and UTP routes into 4. And these settings are commonly used to improve stability and reduce packet loss in online games. Once you've done configuring the settings, click the Apply Routes and wait for ExitLog to optimize your connection. Now, launch your game and check your in-game ping. You should notice a more stable connection, fewer lag spikes, and reduced packet loss. You have to keep in mind that no software can truly give you zero ping because latency depends on your distance from the game server and your internet connection. However, ExitLog can help you achieve the lowest possible ping and a much more stable gaming experience. And that's it for today. If you found the video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try ExitLog with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.